everyone, and welcome back to Learning While Listening Anytime. In today's lesson, you will practice 50 common English questions and answers that people use in everyday conversations. First, I will ask a question, then David will answer it, and after that, I will ask you to repeat the answer. This method will help you improve your listening, speaking, pronunciation, and confidence in English. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and try to repeat every answer aloud. Let us get started. What is your name?
My name is David.
Now you repeat, my name is David. How are you today?
I am doing great, thank you.
Your turn. I am doing great, thank you. Where do you live?
I live in London.
Repeat, I live in London. How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Repeat, I am 25 years old. What do you do?
I am a software engineer.
Repeat, I am a software engineer. Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Repeat, no, I am not married. Do you have any children?
No, I do not have any children.
Repeat, no, I do not have any children. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Repeat, my favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Repeat, my favorite drink is coffee. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Repeat, I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Repeat, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading books.
Repeat, yes, I love reading books. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Repeat, yes, I do. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Repeat, my favorite movie is Inception. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Repeat, my favorite color is blue. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Repeat, yes, I play football. What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography.
Repeat, my hobby is photography. Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Repeat, yes, I can drive. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Repeat, yes, I have a dog. What is your dog's name?
My dog's name is Max.
Repeat, my dog's name is Max. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Repeat, my favorite season is spring. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Repeat, yes, I enjoy traveling. Which country would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Japan.
Repeat, I would like to visit Japan. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Repeat, my favorite fruit is mango. Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
Repeat, yes, I cook sometimes. What is your favorite breakfast?
I like eggs and toast.
Repeat, I like eggs and toast. Do you drink tea?
Yes, I do.
Repeat, yes, I do. What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Saturday.
Repeat, my favorite day is Saturday. Do you work on weekends?
No, I do not.
Repeat, no, I do not. What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos and read books.
Repeat, I watch videos and read books. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Repeat, yes, I love music. Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Repeat, my favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Repeat, yes, I can swim. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dolphin.
Repeat, my favorite animal is a dolphin. Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
Repeat, yes, I am. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Repeat, yes, I do. What is your favorite store?
My favorite store is a bookstore.
Repeat, my favorite store is a bookstore. How do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
Repeat, I go to work by car. Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Repeat, I prefer coffee. What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Repeat, my favorite holiday is Christmas. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Repeat, yes, I exercise 3 times a week. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Repeat, my favorite subject is English. Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it every day.
Repeat, yes, I use it every day. What phone do you use?
I use an iPhone.
Repeat, I use an iPhone. What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be an entrepreneur.
Repeat. My dream job is to be an entrepreneur. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Repeat. Yes, I enjoy learning English. Why are you learning English?
Because it helps me communicate with people around the world.
Repeat. Because it helps me communicate with people around the world. How often do you practice English?
I practice English every day.
Repeat. I practice English every day. What is your biggest goal this year?
My goal is to improve my English fluency.
Repeat. My goal is to improve my English fluency. Are you ready to keep learning?
Yes, I am ready.
Repeat. Yes, I am ready. Excellent work today. You have just practiced 50 common English questions and answers that can help you in real-life conversations. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English will become. Do not worry if you cannot remember everything the first time. Simply come back and practice again. Consistent practice is the key to becoming a confident English speaker. Thank you for learning with Learning While Listening Anytime. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English practice. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.